Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari reaction. So today guys, I have another reaction video to the group CNCO, which I'll be seeing soon in Miami. I purchased the VIP ticket, which is like $100, which is very cheap and affordable, so I can go there. So this is CNCO Solo Yo, Pepsi, and Viva at the Billboard that they did in 2019. I know Richie's gonna show his body, so I need to do that. Oh, this is when Zabdia was blonde. I think he looks so much better when he's blonde. He's really sexy. When there were 5 members, now there's 4. He have a really good stage presence. Hey Joe. Hey. Zabdia wasn't dancing for that part too much. Bitch, that body. Hey, slow motion. Close out. Hey. Oh, that was nice. He's so skinny. Come on, white boy, Chris. That was cute. That was cute. That was CNCO performing Solo Yo at the Pepsi that they did, concert that they did in 2019. That was cute. I'm here for it. I love it. I can't wait to see them live. It sucks. There's only like 4 members now of 5. But I know they had a Christmas thing a couple years ago. During December, that Bad Bunny and them was there, and there was one performer, and my friend wasn't really feeling it. So I can't wait to see them for myself. But as always, I really do appreciate it for everyone who like everything watching. I really do appreciate that. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it as soon as possible. As always, you get the you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Bye.